Hey there, this is Dino Games, and today I got a special video. I'm making devlog number 7, and over here I'm showing off the user interface that show you how fast you're going. So we got some things that allow you to translate the percentage into a value, and I just getting the player velocity and put into a range. And on begin play for this, I just get the dynamic material and just change it, and change the progress. So that's how that works. And what I do is the result, I have this bar that slowed down. It's a bit of a glitch, but as you can see, the bar goes down. Let me show another example. Alright, you see, the bar goes down every time I hit anything. Alright, and here's an example of a slowdown, so you can properly see it. And it flows up. Alright, cool. Alright, the next thing I did was take put on begin play and have a sound of power up. So I'm going to play sound right here. So I place that in. And what I did was just played the power up sound. So on the begin play, it would power up. Alright, so let's see. Looking for it right there. Alright, I got that. And the thing is, what I do next is start saving. We got another glitch. The way all this is fixed by the time you see this video. I know exactly what it is. So let's see. The next thing I did is play the sound. So now, as you can hear, the sound goes up when I start the game level. Yep, like that. Alright, so I also have a power down sound between during the death sequence, so in the reset, so that will work. So now when I move too slow, I power down. Alright, so that's a good example. Do this again. There we go. Alright, so now we are at the new engine. This was several weeks. By the way, today is my birthday, so I'm 25, and I'm recording with the new microphone. So here we are, just opened up a new engine. We have 4.25, and here we have is the main menu parts of it. We just got a bunch of buttons, and we just got a option start and quit. So here it is, just quit, and here am I going to start the game, and this is what you do. So yeah, and also I have some material, so now we have a cube with some color, so it's not just a white square. And here we go, let's play the game. Alright, and here we go. Here goes that demonstration again. Alright, that's cool. And yeah. Alright, hear me quitting the game, but unfortunately, I needed something different. But first of all, let me show you the UI. So basically what I did was, here I am just going to open up the UI. Alright, so here we are, we got some blueprint widget. And by the way, I changed to all the UI to blueprint widgets. It's just the editor, which is just the thing. So anyways, we get the various buttons inside of vertical boxes. And here's the logic, very simple. Oh, here's the hide. I just simply hide one of the vertical boxes and set its visibility, so put it to hidden, and then turn the options box to hide to appear. And I have it to the opposite, so back to the naming. And here's some buttons for start delay. All it does is load the next level. And we also got quit game, which is quits the game when I hit the quit button. So simple buttons like that. But these buttons are quite bland. So what I did here, as you can see, hold on. Okay, so here I am just gonna make a simple button. part of the editing. So here am I just kind of figuring things out, what I wanted to do. I've been putting things in, but realizing I don't see anything, so I was gonna change it up. So here am I just experimenting with what I'm trying to figure out, and you're going to see in a little bit what I figured out. So let's let that go. All right. Here am I trying doing different brushes to figure out exactly how I'm doing it. So here am I now. After I created all the buttons, I created different folders called UI ad sets. And I'm going to import. First of all, I tried to import from file, but then I decided, let's just drag these things in. That'll be easy. Just easiest for me. So now here am I setting up the buttons. So what I'm doing is putting the various things and the various other things that the images. These are the various button states. So here am I just putting it in its normal state, and then what I'm going to do next is going to set up the stylistics under the appearance until I figure it out. So here am I trying to figure it out where the other stuff is. And now I figured it out, so I'm just placing down the other things. So here am I figuring things out, doing experiments and see what happens. And that'll be good. So I'm just placing down the buttons and images of each of the states. So now picking the color. So when I'm hovering in, it would change color. I just kind of figured out what's the best color for this. So I decided to do some experimentations with the color. And then I decided just to have a nice different type of blue. So there we go. Now I just gotta fill up all of the other buttons with the exact same color and the exact same states. So here am I doing the options. Yeah, okay, I got the options correct. And now I'm doing the quit game. Yeah, and that's about it. Anyways, this is Dino Dragon. Hope you see you soon. See you next time. Goodbye.
Hey, that's the end of the video, but since you're here, might as well hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like, you can also give it a like or dislike. So I will know whether or not my videos are good or bad and how to improve. Also comment down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I put a video. Anyways, this is Dino Dragon. See you later. Bye.